She just remembered who I am. She says, I know who this is. He raised me.
Like it's my daddy.
She didn't recognize me at first, but then she smelled me and she realized that I smell like her family.
Isn't that adorable?
Will you take a little video?
I am.
Just hit the red button.
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Oh my! I've never seen a cat do this before in my life.
It's a wonderful reunion.
Dad,
Do you remember me so
Dad.
much?
He's hugging you.
It's a girl.
so cute.
I'm the
She
one who-
remembers him, so she's rubbing all over him and obsessed
She
with
just
him.
remembered that I'm the one who raised
She's
her.
like sniffing his arms and rubbing
As
her body
soon
all
as
over
she
him.
caught the scent of home, she started going nuts and
Smell her, Mom.
she started hugging me and
No, it's because you got
Trying to
that.
nurse on your clothes.
yeah,
What's
I
that called?
know.
It's the kitty
Because
cannabis.
I raised her.
Cannabis?
I raised her from
What's
a
that stuff?
baby.
She's literally going crazy.
Catnip.
Yeah.
Baby.
Ah,
My
Cassie,
little
I like your
baby.
pictures of the
It's the
lupine.
it's funny that
catnipibus.
she's obsessed with that one arm.
My little baby.
Catnip.
My kitty baby.
She's like, that's my dad.
Yeah, that's a cat, not a dog.
See, I think it's so funny that she
You
remembers.
pet it like it's a dog.
Here, honey. Come here.
That is so precious.
See, going right back to
you.
killing.
Oh. I can't believe that. I can't believe how she acted when she realized it was me. It'd been so long, and she caught my scent. She just caught my scent, and as soon as she didn't recognize me at first, and as soon as she caught my scent, she started going crazy, rubbing all over me.
Oh, you
She's just giving me all kinds of
She
love.
was trying to nurse his sweet.
Yeah. Well, I raised her from a baby. She was born in my apartment.
My other cat, my sister has that one. They
Yeah. This is one of my babies.
Yeah, they love
This
it.
is yeah, that's her brother.
Literally going crazy. She's like,
This is
"Come
one
on
of
in here."
yeah. I raised her from a baby.
That's totally good.
You like my baby.
Okay, perfect. That's good.
That's my baby.
Cassie, did I tell you?
Go crazy.
I think we're never protected, and I have no idea.
She literally has both of her arms wrapped around you.
Well, she misses me.
I never had a chance to clean the counter.
She's
I
literally
didn't
like,
want
I
to
cleaned
hold her.
that.
I literally honestly thought Cassie
I only
never
gave her out
remembered.
because Cassie wanted her. She does. So happy I couldn't do this.
Joel, I bet Stephanie would cry if she
She's
saw
going
that.
to cry when she sees this video, I guarantee it. Max didn't react like this.
Wow.
I knew she was going. She's always been a
She's
wicked
a girl.
cuddler. Yeah, she loves.
Your shirt is literally wet from her licking.
I know. I'm glad she misses me because I miss her death.
That is
I was gonna
amazing.
keep her. My
Wow, I
baby.
didn't forget you.
That is so funny.
Take her outside. Biting my. No, I'm gonna let her go.
Okay.
I'm gonna go outside now.